Hey everyone, what's up? In today's video I'm going to show you how you can get Geode on your iOS and Android device completely for free, guys. And this is the latest version of 2.2081 and it works on any iOS and Android device. And it's pretty simple, guys, and everybody can get it right now. You just need a couple of minutes to activate and get Geode on any iOS and Android device. And this is the latest and best version, that is Geode 2.2081. So to get the game, guys, it's pretty simple to activate it. To activate this mod, just go to your browser and go to modsbeast.com. This is the only place that you can get it, and just go on the top right at the search box and write Geode, guys. At the search, write Geode, you will find it, and just follow the instructions to install and activate this mode. So guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe, and have a nice day.